Nordic hamstring work can really comfortably be set up without fancy special equipment. All you're going to do is grab a barbell and put it right up against the rack. You don't even need to put it in the pins or in the hooks. Put a pad on it or a towel, something to make your legs comfortable. And a Nordic hamstring extension is simply when we're on our knees, we have knees through to the shoulders, moving forward as controlled and as slow as we can till we reach that breaking point where we have to drop or it feels like our hamstrings are about to cramp. Another option is a Nordic hamstring pushback, which is where we do the exact same thing. Control it as far as you can down and then drop to the ground, but you're pushing back up and as soon as you can, grabbing with those hamstrings and pulling back. Think of it like a hamstring curl on the end of an eccentric Nordic. So the key here is that drop down, having as much control as you can and genuinely going as far as you can, but that pullback that pushback, just adds a little extra element of work for the hamstrings there. We also have a banded Nordic curl if you're not up for either of these yet, where you hook up a band. It's going to depend on what your situation is at your gym. Hook up a band and simply go through a curl. So as far out as you can and then still making it back. Always targeting, keeping the glutes on, keeping the core on, and really working those hamstrings.